In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add a slideshow to your Wix website. This is a fantastic way to engage visitors, tell a story, or showcase products, all while maintaining a visually appealing layout that's bound to capture attention. Let's dive right in and walk through these steps together. First, make sure you're in the Wix editor. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a menu with various options. Find and click on Add Elements. This is your gateway to enriching your page content with exciting features. Now, from the list that appears, navigate to Interactive. Here, you'll discover a range of dynamic elements at your disposal. What you're looking for is the slideshow options. Under Interactive, you have a choice. Do you want a full-width slideshow that spans the width of your page, or a box slideshow that allows for more specific placement? Consider the visual impact you desire and select accordingly. Go ahead and either click on one of the slideshow designs to add it directly to your page, or simply drag it to where you wish on your workspace. Once the slideshow is sitting on your page, it's time for customization. Click on the slideshow element and you'll see an option labeled Manage Slides. Select that, and you'll gain the ability to add your personal touch, whether it be through images, text, or videos. This tool enables you to craft a slideshow that aligns perfectly with your site's theme and messaging. Next, let's fine-tune some settings to optimize your slideshow. Find the settings icon within the slideshow element and give it a click. You'll encounter a range of options designed to enhance the user experience. First, locate the Autoplays on Loading toggle. Turn this on if you want the slideshow to begin automatically when someone lands on your site. This feature is particularly useful for ensuring immediate engagement. After that, don't forget to adjust the time interval between each slide. There's a slider labeled How Long Between Slides, which lets you set the pace of your slideshow transitions, keeping in mind your content and audience's attention span. Additionally, explore other settings such as transition effects, which add a stylish element to your slideshow, and the Stop Autoplay on Hover option, which can be beneficial if you're focusing on specific engagement with the slideshow content. Finally, once you've applied all the desired settings and your slideshow looks just right, it's time to make it live. Simply hit that Publish button to share your enhanced site with the world. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to enrich your Wix website with a dynamic slideshow. Whether you're highlighting key features or sharing captivating visuals, you've now got a tool that will elevate the quality of your site. Thank you for following along, and happy designing.